मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, मेरा नाम मीना, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर कॉलेज चलाना। आपका हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल में हार्दिक अभिनंदन। आज पढ़ेंगे अपन लियो टॉल्स्टॉय की हाउ मच लैंड डज ए मैन नीड। ठीक है, शॉर्ट स्टोरी है जो उसे पढ़ेंगे। इससे पहले अपन लियो टॉल्स्टॉय के जीवन परिचय के बारे में जान लेते हैं। देखिए लियो टॉल्स्टॉय का जन्म 9 सितंबर 1828 को हुआ था। मृत्यु हुई है इनकी 20 नवंबर 1910 में। Usually referred to in English as Leo Tolstoy, was a Russian writer who is regarded as one of the greatest authors of all time. He received multiple nominations for the Nobel Prize in Literature every year from 1900 to 1960, and nominations for the Nobel Peace Prize in 1901 to 1910, and he never won is a major controversy. देखिए लियो टॉल्स्टॉय जन्म 9 सितंबर 1828 को और डेथ हुई इनकी 20 नवंबर 1910 को। यूजुअली रेफर टू इन इंग्लिश एज लियो टॉल्स्टॉय was a Russian writer who is regarded as one of the greatest authors of all time. He received multiple nominations for the Nobel Prize in Literature every year from 1900 to 1906 तक, and nomination for the Nobel Peace Prize in 1901, 1902, 1910, and that he never won is a major controversy. ठीक है, अब देखिए इनका पूरा बायोडाटा। देखिए इनका जन्म हुआ लेव निकोलेविच टॉल्स्टॉय 9 सितंबर 1828 को। मृत्यु हुई 20 नवंबर 1910 को 82 वर्ष की उम्र में। रेस्टिंग प्लेस है यसनाया पोलेनाया। ठीक है, ऑक्यूपेशन इनका नॉवलिस्ट और स्टोरी राइटर, प्ले राइट, एसिस्ट। तो नॉवलिस्ट थे, शॉर्ट स्टोरी राइटर थे, राइटर, प्ले राइटर और एसिस्ट। लैंग्वेज थी इनकी रशियन, नेशनलिटी भी रशियन है। पीरियड ही 1847 से 1910 तक सक्रिय रहे। लिटरेरी मूवमेंट है रियलिज्म से जुड़े हुए थे। नोटेबल वर्क है इनकी वार एंड पीस, अन्ना करेना, डेथ ऑफ इवोन इलेज, द किंगडम ऑफ गॉड इज विद इन यू, रिसरेक्शन। स्पाउजी इनकी सोफिया वेहार्स। ठीक है, ये इनका बायोडाटा हो गया। अब देखिए नेक्स्ट देखिए, बॉर्न टू एन एरिस्टोक्रेटिक रशियन फैमिली इन 1828, ही इज बेस्ट नोन फॉर द नॉवेल्स वार एंड पीस। 1869 में पब्लिश हुआ। एन्ना कैरेनिया 1877 में पब्लिश हुआ। ऑफन साइटेड एज पाइनेकल्स ऑफ रियलिस्ट फिक्शन। ठीक है, he might achieve literary acclaim in his 20th with his semi-autographic trilogy, Childhood, Boyhood and Youth. ठीक है, Sevastopol sketches based upon his experience in the Crimean War. Tolstoy's fiction includes dozens of short stories and several novels such as The Death of Ivan Leza, Family Happiness, and Aziz Murad. He also wrote plays and numerous philosophical essays. ठीक है, देखिए इन दी 1870 Tolstoy experienced a profound moral crisis, followed by what he regarded as an equally profound spiritual awakening. As outlined in his non-fictional work, A Confession, his literal interpretation of the ethical teaching of Jesus century of the Sermon of the Mount caused him to become a fervent Christian anarchist and pacifist. ठीक है. Tolstoy's ideas on non-violent resistance, spread in such works as The Kingdom of God Within You, had a profound impact on such pivotal 20th century figures as Mahatma Gandhi, Martin Luther King Jr. Tolstoy also became a dedicated advocate of Georgism, the economic philosophy of Henry George. ठीक है. Many incorporated into writing, particularly Resurrection, जो कि 1899 में पब्लिश हुई. ठीक है. अब देखिए नेक्स्ट. देखिए लियो टॉलस्टॉय की जो शॉर्ट स्टोरी है हाउ मच लैंड डज ए मैन नीड. उसे देखिए, जानिए से. Back home, a poor peasant and his wife after visited by latter's elder sister. The wife of a merchant, the elder sister brags about her glamorous life in the city, insults her sister's modest country existence. ठीक है. The younger sister defends her lifestyle, claiming her sufficiency and simplicity is the road to the moral high ground. Peckham joins in saying that with enough land he would have nothing to fear. ठीक है. Including the devil himself, the devil overhears Peckham's claim and vows to tempt him with land. देखिए आगे. Many local lady landowner suddenly decide to part with her property. Peckham convinces her to sell him with 30 acres. At first, Peckham seemed happily with his purchase. It would be perfect, he thinks, if not for the constant trespassing of local peasants. Peckham repeatedly fines them peasants and takes them to court. ठीक है. Causing tensions to escalate to the point that his neighbors threatened to burn down his house. अब देखिए नेक्स्ट. Peckham has grown resentful to his cramped life when a traveling peasant tells him of a village south of the Volga River, where families are allotted 25 acres of farmland per person upon setting. अब देखिए नेक्स्ट. Peckham and his family travel to the commune where they are welcomed and allotted land totaling 3 times the amount they left behind. Nevertheless, Peckham wants more convinced that freehold land, it contrasts to leased, is the way to truly become wealthy. अब देखिए नेक्स्ट. Just as Peckham is about to purchase some freehold land from a bankrupt peasant, a passing merchant distracts him with stories of plentiful land in the faraway region of the Basque Creek. Over tea, the merchant says that after gifting the Basque Creek a few peasants, he was able to secure 30,000 acres for a mere 20 cops. अब देखिए आगे. Upon his arrival, they proved to be friendly at strange people and often Peckham comes to drink. Peckham gave the Basque Creek several gifts as instructed by the passing merchant, and they eagerly looked to repay his kindness. Peckham required the opportunity to purchase some of their land. The Basque elder soon arrived and agreed to sell Peckham as much land as he can circumnavigate in one day for the price of 1,000 rubles, provided Peckham returned to his starting point by sunset. Peckham readily agrees. That night, Peckham experienced a strange dream in which the Baskir elder, the passing merchant, and the traveling peasants is transformed into the devil, who then laughed at a dead and nearly legged figure at his feet. Peckham realized that the dead figure in his fact himself upon waking. However, he brushes off the dream. He set his eyes on the land, waiting to be claimed, grab his spade. ठीक है, और देखिए आगे। देखिए, despite the growing heat of the sun, Peckham usually covered approximately 6 miles of land, marking his way with the spade and shedding his clothing to keep cool. By Maddie, Peckham has grown uncomfortable under the relentless sun, but he pushes on. After having walked 10 miles, he realizes he must hasten his pace to ensure that he returns by sundown. Peckham rushes back and arrives at his starting point just as the setting sun crosses the horizon. अब देखिए नेक्स्ट, he then promptly drops dead from exhaustion. His workmen use the spade to dig Peckham's grave. Answering the story title question, in the end, a man needs only enough land to bury him. ठीक है, ठीक है, अब आपको इसे लर्न करना